Good morning, fourth grade. It's Miss Trevino. I hope you're having a good week so far. This video is going to be me reading the Baby Yoda toys quiz to you. If no one is able to redo the questions and the answer choices, that's what I'll go ahead and be doing today. Excuse me. So remember, you guys are supposed to be reading this news article. Baby Yoda toys are finally arriving. Miss Nixon and Miss B really want you to take your time and answer the questions carefully, okay? There's only 4 questions, okay? So you really need to take your time and go back and use strategies and dissect the news article, okay? Excuse me. So here's the first one. Read the following paragraph from the section Baby Yoda Toys. On February 20th, the child was in many forms of toys. There were Baby Yoda Legos and action figures. There were also backpacks, hats and shirts. Socks and wallets were shown too. What is the main idea of this paragraph? The actual name of Baby Yoda is the child. Some Legos and action figures are Baby Yodas. There are many different forms of Baby Yoda toys. Many types of clothes come in the form of Baby Yoda. Okay, so you can pause this video and go back to your quiz on a different tab and answer it. Okay, so use this video and pause it and go back and forth from your test. Okay, so if no one's able to read to you, then go ahead and use this. Which sentence from the article states a main idea of the entire article? Okay, so what's the main idea? Excuse me. What's the main idea of the entire article? Disney and Lucasfilms are the companies that make Star Wars and the TV show The Mandalorian. In February, they announced that Baby Yoda merchandise is coming soon. Many think these 2 Disney hits are the best of the Star Wars galaxy since Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker. Baby Yoda's name is actually just the child. Okay, so pause your screen and then come back to this so we can keep going. According to the section, Keeping the Character a Secret, why was the character of Baby Yoda kept a secret on a TV show? Because the maker of Baby Yoda toys wanted to keep Baby Yoda a secret? Because the makers of the TV show wanted to wait until Baby Yoda toys were made? Because the makers of the TV show wanted to surprise fans with the Baby Yoda character? Because the maker of Baby Yoda toys was upset about having Baby Yoda on a TV show. Okay, last one. Excuse me. Why did Disney and Lucasfilms want news reporters to gather at a hotel? They wanted to tell reporters Baby Yoda was in a Star Wars movie? They wanted to introduce reporters to the Baby Yoda character? They wanted to tell reporters why Baby Yoda toys were hard to find? They wanted reporters to see the new Baby Yoda toys and products. Okay, so why did the news reporters gather at the hotel? Why do they want the news reporters to gather at the hotel? Okay, so make sure you're going back and you're finding your text evidence, and then let me know if you need anything. Good luck.